What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is something that's highly been requested. You guys are always asking me for more live trades to show you exactly how I do things and what it is that I do. We're gonna look at the trade itself and exactly what it is that I was looking for. We're gonna look at why I went into the trade as well. And we're also gonna watch the trade and I'm gonna walk you through exactly what it is that I was looking for and why I was doing that in the first place. So if you're new around here, drop us a like, subscribe if you're new, and let's head into the video. Okay, so the stock that I was trading and have been trading for some time now is Beyond Meat. Now, Beyond Meat, you may or may not have heard of them. They are an alternative to meat, so they're a vegan company, and they basically supply vegan burgers, different types of chicken, beef. I have no idea, to be honest with you, because I'm not vegan and I don't eat that stuff. The company that we're looking at, a little bit of a different setup to my usual trading setup. I have been trading on my laptop quite a lot. I haven't been to the office to trade in. I've mainly been doing things from my laptop. So what we're actually going to do, we're going to look at the analysis and the reason why I actually entered this trade and the reason why I went in on this particular trade with a certain pattern that I have that I teach all of my students in the course as well. So let's actually head into the analysis and I'm going to break down exactly what it is that I was looking for and why I went into this particular trade and what it is that I was looking to do with that trade. Okay, so Beyond Meat, as you can see, the headline reads, Beyond Meat introduces first ever value 6-pack of its irresistible Beyond Burger across Canada, furthering goal of making plant-based protein more accessible. Now, that headline alone, I have to work out here, is that a bullish or bearish move, okay? And for a company like Beyond Meat to bring out a new product that is gonna be accessible across Canada, I'd imagine they're gonna bring it out more around the world as well. This is very, very good news for a company like Beyond Meat. And this isn't my first trade this week on Beyond Meat. I've also had one or two more trades, I think the start of the week and the week before. Beyond Meat is a very good stock because it does get some serious movements behind it. It's not uncommon for Beyond Meat to move 10-15% a day on news headlines that are very, very positive. So as we can see, it says here, the launch of the first ever 6-pack of its Beyond Burger in Canada. Major grocery stores across Canada now carry the 6-pack of delicious plant-based burger patties. I'm not going to read that because it sounds like I'm plugging it, but you understand my point, okay? Now, what that is a new product, and a new product means new income. It's another form of income for the company, and it's only going to be good news, okay? So what I'm going to be doing with this particular stock is I'm going to be looking for a long position after we get some kind of pullback. Now, Beyond Meat is known, as I said, for being a good mover, and we don't really get many pullbacks with Beyond Meat. We usually sort of rally out the gate. So let's actually head into the trade and let me show you exactly how I traded it and what I was thinking at the time. Okay, so before we start, if you've seen other trading videos, you can see now that I've got two different stocks on my screen. We actually was looking at a Boeing for a long position and we was looking at Beyond Meat for a long position as well. As you can see, the stock is up around 6.12% pre-market. This is perfect buying conditions. It's not too overbought, it's not too oversold, so we can still push on and look to try and get some more gains out of this stock on a long position, okay? So basically, as the title shows, it's me showing you how you can make $500 a day trading the stock market if you understand the analysis, what it means for the stock and what sort of pattern should play out on that particular stock. It's all well and good being able to trade, but if you don't understand analysis and what it means for that particular stock and what's expected, the trading becomes irrelevant because you don't really understand or you don't really know what it is you're going to be doing. Does that make sense? So looking at this particular stock here, I was only aiming for $500 for the sake of the video. I usually go for about 2%, but we get that $500 or so fairly quickly, and I'll show you exactly what it is we were doing on this particular trade. So let's actually look at the trade now. So as you can see, I've already got my 2% marked up. I've got my 2% stop loss. I always have a 2% stop loss, and I've got my 2% marked out on what it is that I was looking to do. So I don't know the full margin on this. I think maybe the margin was about 7,000, maybe 8,000. So with a 7,000, 8,000 pound account, if you're trading correctly, you can make around $500 a day quite comfortably if you know how to trade properly. So we're just waiting for the market to open now. So I'm looking here on the right hand side at Boeing. I'm sort of stuck between the two because I want to see which one's moving the best. So as you can see, it's still 14.29. We're still waiting for the market to open. But I've got all this preparation planned out. I know where my 2% profit target is going to be, and I know where I'm going to take my loss as well if it goes against me. It's very important to have this planned out before you go into the trade, so you're not rushing around trying to jump on stocks when they're moving quickly. So as you can see, the market's open now. So we've had a little bit of a pullback. So those of you who know my strategy and you know how I trade, we're watching to see what the reaction's like at round numbers, okay? Now, as you can see at the minute, 13,400 is holding. That 00 round number is holding at the minute. Now, as you can see, we start to then push on from this round number and we then break above another round number very, very quickly. The spread kind of does me a little bit really because I enter just below a round number, but I've traded this stock a lot and I know based on previous experience, as I've said, this likes to rocket out the gate and we don't get much of a pullback on this particular stock. So as you can see, I'm in, my 2%'s marked out. All I wanted to do on this particular trade was get $500 for the sake of this video. And again, trading with £8,000, making $500 a day, that's $2,500 a week. You're looking at 10 grand a month on a $7,000 account. Not to say you're going to do that every single day, but it's possible. So as you can see, we're pushing up now. We've already got our $500. I was just waiting to see if we could get up to the full 2%, which we do eventually when I cut this video off. But we had a bit of a bounce off 13,800. And I just wanted to make sure that I got that $500 locked in so I could record this video for you guys and show you exactly what it is that I'm doing. So the trade itself looked fairly simple. We had a nice little pullback to 13,400. We then push on and rocket out the gate. But the most important thing here is understanding the stock and understanding the analysis behind what it is that I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Okay, because if you don't understand how to analyze a stock, you won't have a clue what it means when the stock opens up and you're ready to trade it. Okay, so I've done my analysis. I know what pattern should play out when the market opens. Then all I'm waiting to do is for certain confirmations to trigger and to show me that my pattern's going to play out. And as it does, I then enter and I get in straight away. By the end of the video, we actually go past the 2%, but I wasn't looking to stay in it too long. I wanted to get the $500 for the video, and now we're $500 richer in about 2 minutes. So yeah, guys, I hope that helps. I'm gonna do a lot more trading videos for you this week as well, because I know you really benefit from them. And when I'm giving you analysis as well, it really helps with your entries and your exits and everything else. So as I said, I'm gonna do more of these trades this week. So look out for some more live trades videos coming very, very soon. I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram. It's LockStockTom, and the website is www.lockstocktrading.com. Guys, I'll see you very soon. Cheers, guys.